Our next problem is, if the straight line three x plus 4y plus 5 plus k into x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 is parallel to x-axis, then the value of k is 3x plus 4y plus 5 plus k into x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 5 plus kx plus 2ky minus 3k is equal to 0. 3 plus k into x plus 4 plus 2k into y plus 5 minus 3k is equal to 0. So given line is parallel to x-axis, implies coefficient of x is equal to 0, that is k plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to minus 3. The equation, next problem, the equation of the horizontal line passing through the point 4 comma minus 7 is equation of horizontal line through x1 comma y1 is y is equal to y1. Here given x1 comma y1 is 4 comma minus 7, implies required straight line is y is equal to minus 7, that is y plus 7 is equal to 0. Next problem is the equation of straight line making an intercept three units on y-axis and inclined at 45 degrees to the x-axis. Slope intercept form is of line is y is equal to mx plus c. Here given y intercept is equal to 3, implies c is equal to 3. and the slope m is equal to tan theta. Theta is given as 45 degrees, tan 45 is equal to 1. Therefore m is equal to 1. Therefore straight line is y is equal to x plus 3. Next problem is equation of the line having a comma b intercepts on axis such that a plus b is equal to 5, ab is equal to 21 by 4 is equation of line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Given a plus b is equal to 5, ab is equal to 21 by 4, a minus b is equal to under root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab, that is 5 square minus 4 into 21 by 4. 25 minus 21, that is root 4, is equal to 2. A minus b is equal to 2 and a plus b is equal to 5. A plus b is equal to 5, a minus b is equal to 2. Solving, here first adding, if you add these two, b plus b minus b gets cancelled, 2a is equal to 7, implies a is equal to 7 by 2 and b is equal to 5 minus a, that is 5 minus 7 by 2, that is equal to 2 by the 10, 10 minus 7, that is 3 by 2. Now x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the required line, implies x by 7 by 2 plus y by 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So here take LCM, 2x by 7 plus 2y by 3 is equal to 1. 6x plus 14y is equal to 21. Next problem is x-intercept of the line parallel to 4x plus 7y is equal to 9 and passing through 2 comma 3 is given line. Equation of line parallel to given line is and passing through x1 comma y1 is 4x plus 7y is equal to 4x1 plus 7y1 is equal to, here given x1 comma y1 is equal to 2 comma 3. Now substitute 4x plus 7y is equal to 4 into 2 plus 7 into 3. 4x plus 7y is equal to, what is the 8 plus 21, it is 29. For x intercept, put y is equal to 0, implies 4x is equal to 29, x is equal to 29 by 4 is the x intercept. A straight line meet the axis in A and B such that the centroid of the triangle OAB is A comma A, then the equation of line AB is this is A, let this be B, this is 0 comma 0, let this be alpha comma 0, let this be 0 comma beta. Now given centroid G is equal to A comma A, let capital O is 0 comma 0, A is alpha comma 0, B is 0 comma beta. Now A comma A is equal to alpha by 3, beta by 3, implies alpha is equal to 3a, beta is equal to 3a. Let D is midpoint of there is no need to find the midpoint. Here we already have alpha betas. Equation of AB is x by alpha plus y by beta is equal to 1. Substitute alpha beta values, x by 3a plus y by 3a is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 3a is the equation of the line AB. Next problem is equation of the line on which the length of the perpendicular from origin is 5 and the angle which this perpendicular makes with x-axis is 60 degrees. here given alpha is equal to 60 degrees, p is equal to 5. Normal form of the line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. X cos 60 plus y sin 60 is equal to 5. X by 2 plus root 3y by 2 is equal to 5. X plus root 3y is equal to 10 is the equation of required line. Next problem is a point on the line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 at a distance 2 root 2 from the point 1 comma 2 is given line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Slope is equal to minus 1 by minus 1, minus of x quotient by y quotient, that is 1. That is tan theta is equal to 1 implies theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now given x1 comma y1 is 1 comma 2, r is equal to 2 root 2. Required points are x1 plus r minus r cos theta, y1 plus r minus r sin theta, that is 1 plus r minus 2 root 2 cos 45, 2 plus r minus 2 root 2 sin 45, root 2 cancel, 1 plus r minus 2, 2 plus r minus 2, 3 comma 4 or minus 1 comma 0 is the required points. Next problem is the perpendicular bisector of the line joining p1 comma 4 qk comma 3 as y-intercept minus 4, then possible value of k is this is p1 comma 4, this is qk comma 3, perpendicular bisector. Mn is perpendicular bisector of PQ. M is midpoint of PQ. Therefore M is P plus Q by 2, 1 plus K by 2, 7 by 2. Now Mn as y-intercept minus 4 implies it passes through 0 comma minus 4. slope of PQ is equal to 3 minus 4 by k minus 1 minus 1 by k minus 1. Slope of Mn is equal to 7 by 2 plus 4 by 1 plus k by 2 minus 0. 2 4 is 8, 15 by 1 plus k. Now PQ perpendicular to Mn implies product of slopes is equal to minus 1 by k minus 1, 15 by 1 plus k is equal to minus 1. So here minus minus gets cancelled. 15 is equal to k square minus 1. K square is equal to 16. K is equal to plus or minus 4. So if you take so therefore k value is plus or minus 4. Next problem is P alpha comma beta lies on y is equal to 6x minus 1 and Q beta comma alpha lies on 2x minus 5y is equal to 5. Then the equation of PQ is P alpha comma beta lies on y is equal to 6x minus 1 implies beta is equal to 6 alpha minus 1. Q beta comma alpha lies on 2x minus 5y is equal to 5 implies 2 alpha minus 5 beta is equal to 5. Let this be 1, let this be 2. Now sub 1 into substitute beta value implies 2 alpha minus 5 into 6 alpha minus 1 is equal to 5. 2 alpha minus 30 alpha plus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore alpha is equal to 0. Implies beta is equal to 6 alpha minus 1, that is minus 1. Beta is equal to minus 1. Therefore P is alpha comma beta, that is 0 comma minus 1. Q is beta comma alpha, that is minus 1 comma 0. Sorry, my mistake here. Q beta comma alpha, right? So that is 2 beta minus 5 alpha so x is beta here, y is alpha. So now substitute 1 into, that is 2 into beta value is 6 alpha minus 1 minus 5 alpha is equal to 5. 12 alpha minus 2 minus 5 alpha is equal to 5. 7 alpha is equal to 7 implies alpha is equal to 1. Now beta is equal to 6 alpha minus 1 implies 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Beta is 5. Now P is alpha comma beta, that is 1 comma 5. Q is beta comma alpha, that is 5 comma 1. Slope of PQ is 5 minus 1 by 1 minus 5. 4 by minus 4, that is minus 1. Equation of PQ is y minus 5 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 1. y minus 5 minus x plus 1, x plus y is equal to 6 is the equation of PQ. Next problem is a line joining a2 comma 0 b3 comma 1 is rotated through about a through an angle 15 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. Then the equation of AB in new position is here given. A is 2 comma 0, B is 3 comma 1. Slope of AB 1 minus 0 by 3 minus 2, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 implies theta is equal to 45 degrees. Let this be, so not this, 45 degrees means, so it will be like this. Let this be A, let this be B. This is 45 degrees. Now AB is rotated through 15 degrees in anti-clockwise direction about A. So this is initial position AB. It makes 45. It is rotated through an angle 15 degrees. This is final B dash. So slope of AB dash is equal to tan alpha, where alpha is equal to 45 degrees plus 15 degrees, that is 60 degrees. Therefore slope is equal to tan 60, that is root 3. Here A is 2 comma 0. Therefore y minus 0 is equal to root 3 into x minus 2. Y is equal to root 3x minus 2 root 3 is the required line.